Hey guys, I have the Winter FabFitFun box here, and you guys have probably heard about these boxes because they're like all over social media. I got one maybe a couple years ago, so this is the second time I've received one of these boxes, and I will put a link for $10 off down in the info box if you guys are curious and want to check them out. It's actually a really good value box because they include lots of full-size items, and you do get to customize. That's actually a new thing that they didn't have last time I got this box. You do get to customize your box and choose some of the items that are in it. And depending on what sort of subscription you have, you can choose either a lot of items or just a few of the items. And so it always includes a little magazine. So it's just sort of like a little magazine that kind of talks about the things that are in the box and just some other kind of fun stuff. And they always include also some coupons inside, like that's a coupon. And then this is a coupon for HelloFresh. For these mail delivery services, I love these. We've done a couple of them. They're really great. And now onto the actual box. I did receive these 2 essential oils. I'm not really big on essential oils. I'm not really someone who uses these, but let me know if you guys have tried essential oils and what you think. I may end up just giving these away. And then I also received this Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. And I've just been going through my moisturizing face products like crazy because of the winter weather. And so I'm always happy to get another one of these. And this is a big bottle. This is 3.4 ounces. And this is normally $33. So already the cost of the box is basically, you get it back in this one product. So it's a pretty good deal. And let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, this is Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. Looks really good colors in here. I'll have to do like a separate video kind of like swatching this because I feel like there's already a lot to cover in here, and I don't know, you guys don't want to see like a 15-minute video. So that's the Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. And then this is black eye masks. So these are actually, and it's just supposed to help you feel more rested and help with like under eye circles and stuff. So, and it includes 5 masks for your under eyes. And then this is a Thrive eye brightener. So this is actually a really winter focused box because, you know, you need to hydrate your eyes, you need some brightening because it's just, you know, your skin just gets so dull. Oh, I like how that's like really close to my skin tone, but just adds like a little bit of brightness. If you guys can see that, it's really great. Actually, it's really natural looking, like for a highlighter. And let's see. Oh, you know, I think this is like the surprise extra item. Amy Kestenberg. Because some of the boxes you receive, so in each box, there's a couple items you can receive, or you can receive a surprise extra mystery item. So I think this is actually the mystery item. It's just a wallet. That's really nice. Has a zipper on the outside and then space for credit cards and stuff on the inside. That's really cute. And I actually like the fact that it includes so many cards, but it's much thinner and lighter than the wallet that I'm currently using. So I may have to switch to using that one. And then this is another one of the items that I chose. Oh, I actually did choose the Pure eyeshadow palette. And then I also chose this little set because there was a few different options and I just thought this one looked the best. This is a headband for when it's cold. It's like really soft and fleecy. Goes around your head. It's really cute. And then gloves. And it's a really cute style glove. Like they have the fingerless so that you can actually grab things and do things. And then it has this little part that you can put over your fingers if it's really cold. So that's a really cute set. And then this is another item that I chose. And actually this is like the main reason that I was interested in this particular box. Because I've been looking for a while for a way to store jewelry when I'm going somewhere, because it just, you know, you want to bring a few pairs of earrings and a few necklaces and they end up just in a tangled mess at the bottom of a bag. So this is actually a little jewelry portfolio. It keeps all your jewelry nice and organized. Down here, you can put bracelets and then snap it closed. And up here, each one of these would hold a necklace so that you keep all of your necklaces separate and you keep them from tangling. And then this cute little flap kind of protects your necklaces. And then I really like this part. This is for earrings. You stick your earrings in here and then you snap it closed. And then up here, more just bracelets or whatever you want to put in there. And then in this little pouch, just other little items that don't fit in the other sections. So I'm really excited to put some jewelry in here and put this to use because this was like a big reason that I was drawn to this particular box. It's a Halston jewelry portfolio, I think they call it. And oh my gosh, more stuff. Okay, just one more thing, I think. But this was a crazy big box. There's so much in here. So this is a throw, and it's just like soft material. The brand is Mark and Graham, and it's just a soft throw with fringe at the bottom. And there was an option between gray and tan, and I think for annual subscribers you get to choose which color you want, and for everyone else you get a surprise. So this, I think, is looks like it's the gray one. It's a really, really soft, nice soft gray. And it feels really nice. It feels really delicate though. I'll have to put this somewhere where it won't get like trampled on because it feels really soft and the knit feels really delicate, but it's really nice. So that was the winter FabFitFun box, and like I said, I will put their information down in the info box along with $10 off your first box, and you can just do one box, use the $10 coupon, and if you aren't into it or just don't want to continue, you can cancel and just get your first one box at a discount. So I will put that down below, and I think this is one of the best boxes that I've seen. And what's cool is you can like wait and see what's going to be in the box and then go ahead and order a box using the discount code. So there's no surprises. You don't get a box that you won't like. So I think that's pretty awesome. And let me know what you guys think if you have already received one of these boxes. Thanks for watching. Bye.